Hello everything, welcome back to my YouTube channel, it's Mangothao. Okay, it has been a long time since I recorded a video, so I'm trying to get back in the groove of recording videos again. But, first thing first, yes, I do have a nose piercing now, so I don't have to glue it on anymore. I don't know if the camera's picking up. I added 4 more piercings to my ear on both sides, but then this side has 3 and this side has 2 because the middle one was crooked, so I took it out for the heel. I still need to go in and get it pierced, but without further ado, we're gonna unbox this package that just came in right now, like literally 2 minutes ago. This is my big boy purse. I have finally purchased a big, well, I want to say my first big boy purse because of my Louis Vuitton bags, but this is my bigger boy purse, whatever you want to call it. Yes, let's just get into the video and unboxing. I purchased this on Luxell. If you guys follow Holly Ann Ree on YouTube or Instagram, she does have a luxury resale consignment store on Instagram, which is Luxell. But that's where I purchased this bag from. And let's just get into it. Got my knife. I paid $1,800 for this bag, so close to $2,000. That should give you guys a, I guess, a clue of what kind of bag I got. But yes, let's get into it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, hold on. Can you guys guess what bag it is? I'll just throw that down there. Okay, dusty from the box, but ta-da! I got myself a Chanel bag. So excited. Okay. The care card. The lady that I purchased this from, she did include the receipt of purchase and everything that was with the Chanel bag. So, this is the receipt with the card in there, the bow. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay. I see the chain already. Oh my gosh, can you guys guess what kind of bag I got? Flip it this way. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh. It's so cute! It is so cute in person. Oh, I'm still new to recording again. Give you guys a 360. Oh my god. So this is the mini caviar skin vanity 22 collection. Yes. It's so pretty. This is my first ever Chanel purchase. Yes, I know it is a resale item, but if you all know already, Chanel goes up in value. So it's like an investment piece, okay? Oh, I just love it so much. Let's open the bag. This bag can't hold much, okay? It could probably hold my Louis Vuitton car key holder and a chapstick and maybe some cash. But oh, I love it so much. It's so cute. People are like, if you're gonna get a Chanel bag, why would you get a bag that small? Well, I'm a tiny person. And plus, I used to like carrying big bags, but I don't know. It's just something about the small bags that are so cute and like, it's just so effortless. Like, I could just throw it on, okay? But yes. Oh, So cute. I freaking love it so much already. But yes, this is a early birthday gift to myself for this year because I will be turning 30, dirty 30. This is my bag. I cannot wait to wear it, use it, and I love it. It's so cute. So yes, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.